Hazrat Fatima Qais' daughter states that her husband, Hazrat Abu Amr bin Hafs, sent me divorce as well as 5 sa of dates and 5 sa of barley through Ayyash bin Rabia. I said, is only this maintenance for me? Shall I not spend my prescribed waiting period in your house? He replied, no. She said, I took my clothes and entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, how many divorces has he given to you? I submitted 3. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he has spoken the truth. You do not deserve maintenance. You should spend the waiting period in the house of your uncle's son Ibn Maktoum, as he is blind. You can take your clothes off after the expiry of your waiting period. You should intimate me. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha said, many people, including Hazrat Muawiyah and Hazrat Abu Jahm, proposed me. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Muawiyah is a poor man. He has no property, whereas Abu Jahm is extremely strict with women, or said, he threshes women, or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said any other word to that effect. However, you should marry Osama. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3697.